Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and I'm back today with an interactive card trick. So what I want you to do, grab 4 different cards and get them from a deck that you don't really care about, because we will be ruining these cards. Alright, so you want to have different faces but same backs. So first off, you just want to shuffle the cards. I don't want to know the order of the cards, and I don't want you to know the order of the cards. So once you think you're good, what we're going to do is we're just going to fold the cards in half, like this. And you want to create a crease in the cards. Then do the same thing, but on the back. So you just want to create a crease so the middle becomes weak. And just keep doing that until you feel like they're eligible to rip. Alright, once you feel like you're good, you want to rip them in half. Alright, and then what you want to do, place one half on top of the other, and then take the top card right now and put it on the bottom. Now what you want to do is take the top 2 cards and put them on the bottom. Then what you want to do, top 3 cards, put them in the middle as a group. So you want to put them together in the middle. Alright? So on the top card, place it to the side. We'll come back to that later. Alright, so now we have a choice here. We're going to either take 1, 2, or 3 cards and put them to the middle. So I'm going to take 2 cards and put them to the middle. You take as either 1, 2, or 3. Then you're just going to take the top card and put it in the middle somewhere. Now we're going to take 1, 2, or 3 cards and just throw them away. So I'm going to take 3 cards and just throw them away. We don't need those cards anymore. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're just going to kind of shuffle. So we're going to put cards on the bottom, and we're going to do this 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, so now we're going to alternate. So we're going to do 1 card on the bottom, next card throw away. Card on the bottom, next card throw away. Card on the bottom, next card throw away. And then you'll be left with 1 card. Earlier we left this to the side. First of all, let's see. Alright. Wouldn't it be cool if they were actually the same? Again, this was your choice. You could have put how many cards on the bottom or whatever. And they did, if you did it right. Okay, that was the trick. Just follow those directions and you'll be good to go to show your friends or family. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you think.